their own little mound that they like to sit on.
Scientists are often seen as the best and brightest among us, those who use their vast intellects and high IQs to make sense of the world and explain it to the rest of us. Yet, even they struggle to grasp certain mysteries. There are still a handful of things that leave even the sharpest minds puzzled. Here are 20 objects that science has never been able to fully explain. Number 20. Dropa stones. Deep within the remote Ban-Era mountains of China lie the enigmatic Dropa stones, a collection of disc-shaped artifacts wrapped in mystery. These stones, discovered in 1938 by archaeologist Chi Puti, have captivated the imagination of researchers and conspiracy theorists alike. Measuring about 9 inches in diameter, each stone features a central hole with spiral grooves extending outward toward the edges. The most astonishing aspect, tiny hieroglyphs etched into their surfaces, a script that has baffled linguists. According to legend, these stones tell a remarkable tale of a UFO crash and the survival of its occupants, the Dropa people. These beings, allegedly just over 4 feet tall, lived among the Han Chinese for centuries while keeping their existence a secret. Although skeptics doubt the extraterrestrial origins of the stones, the Dropa stones continue to fuel speculation. Are they ancient artifacts or proof of an otherworldly encounter? Regardless, these mysterious discs remain a captivating enigma, reminding us that our planet's history might be intertwined with the cosmos in ways we have yet to fully comprehend. Number 19. The Bong Pipes. Deep within the remote Qinghai province of China lies an archaeological enigma known as the Bong Pipes. These mysterious iron pipes have confounded scientists and adventurers for decades, sparking a plethora of wild theories and intense curiosity. The Bong Pipes are a series of iron tubes, varying from a few millimeters to over a centimeter in diameter, embedded within a pyramid-shaped mountain. Their estimated age, dating back at least 150,000 years, is truly astonishing. This is especially perplexing considering that modern humans were not thought to be in this region during that period. Theories about these pipes are wide-ranging. Some suggest they are remnants of an ancient civilization with advanced metallurgical skills, challenging our understanding of prehistoric technology. Others propose they might be the remnants of an extraterrestrial visitation, possibly left as a form of communication or a navigation system. Nearby caves have revealed additional puzzles, including triangular metal pieces and a lake with 3 equally baffling triangular openings. The Bong Pipes continue to be a source of fascination, inviting us to explore the limits of our historical knowledge and consider the possibilities of advanced ancient technologies. Number 18. Baghdad Battery. Deep within the annals of history, there exists a peculiar artifact that has both puzzled scholars and ignited imaginations for decades, the Baghdad Battery. Discovered in the 1930s near Kujut Rabu, Iraq, this ancient device, dating back to the Parthian period between 250 BCE and 224 CE, comprises a clay jar, a copper cylinder, and an iron rod. At first glance, it might appear unremarkable, but its potential significance lies in its mysterious function, which remains a topic of lively debate among experts across various fields. The Baghdad Battery offers a tantalizing glimpse into the ingenuity of ancient inventors. The prevailing theory suggests it could have been an early form of a galvanic cell, capable of converting chemical energy into electrical energy when filled with an acidic or alkaline solution. Interestingly, the composition and design of the Baghdad Battery resemble other early electrochemical cells discovered in different parts of the world. This resemblance has led some researchers to speculate about the possibility of cross-cultural exchanges of technological knowledge in antiquity. The implications of such interactions could profoundly impact our understanding of ancient technological development. Number 17. Antikythera mechanism, the ancient wonder. Hidden beneath the waves of the Aegean Sea, off the coast of the small Greek island of Antikythera, lies an archaeological treasure that has left the world in awe. The Antikythera mechanism. Discovered by sponge divers in 1901, this mysterious device has since become an emblem of ancient ingenuity and a symbol of human curiosity. At first glance, the Antikythera mechanism resembles a corroded, fragmented lump of bronze. However, beneath its weathered exterior lies a complex and intricate marvel of ancient engineering. Dating back to the 2nd century BCE, it predates our modern understanding of complex machinery by over 1,000 years. So, what exactly is the Antikythera mechanism? Often referred to as the world's first analog computer, its purpose was to track celestial movements, predict lunar and solar eclipses, and provide valuable astronomical information for navigation. This astonishing feat of ancient craftsmanship consisted of a series of gears and dials intricately arranged within a wooden box, demonstrating an understanding of complex mathematics and celestial mechanics. The Antikythera mechanism affirms the advanced knowledge of the ancient Greeks, who, despite lacking the tools and technology of the modern era, were capable of creating a device that could accurately predict astronomical events. It highlights the deep connection between science and technology, even in antiquity, and serves as a reminder that the human thirst for understanding and innovation is a timeless trait. How did such a sophisticated device come into existence in the ancient Mediterranean world? Was it a unique invention, or were there similar contraptions that have been lost to time? Number 16. Fistos Disc. The Fistos Disc, an intriguing archaeological discovery found in 1908 on the island of Crete, remains one of history's enduring mysteries. Made from clay and measuring about 15 centimeters across, this disc features a series of complex symbols stamped on both sides. These symbols, organized in a spiral, have defied all attempts at interpretation. Some scholars believe they might represent an ancient form of writing, while others think they could be purely decorative or even an elaborate hoax. The true purpose and origin of this disc are still unknown. Various theories suggest links to the ancient Minoan civilization of Crete, but none have conclusively solved the mystery. The disc's function, whether as a religious artifact or an administrative tool, remains an open question. The Fistos Disc continues to captivate the imaginations of archaeologists and historians. As long as its symbols remain undeciphered, this ancient artifact will keep inspiring theories and speculations about its creators and their society. Number 15. The Baltic Sea Anomaly. The Baltic Sea Anomaly has captivated the imaginations of explorers and conspiracy theorists alike since its discovery in 2011. Situated in the depths of the Baltic Sea, this mysterious object resembles a massive sunken ship or a secret underwater base straight out of a science fiction movie. However, its true nature remains an enigma. Measuring over 60 meters in diameter, the anomaly is a massive circular formation with peculiar features. Some believe it resembles a crashed UFO or an ancient alien artifact. The object's unusual appearance includes a large 9-meter-long ramp-like structure leading to a dark hole that adds to its mystique. Interestingly, sonar scans of the anomaly have revealed geometric patterns and symmetrical shapes that are uncommon in natural rock formations. This has led some researchers to hypothesize that the structure might be man-made, possibly a relic from a lost civilization or a forgotten naval installation. These findings have only added to the speculation and debate surrounding the anomaly's origins. The Ocean X team, the group of explorers who discovered the anomaly, initially sparked intense speculation about its origins. They reported that their electrical equipment malfunctioned in its vicinity, further fueling theories of extraterrestrial involvement. Scientists, on the other hand, have proposed more mundane explanations. Geologists suggest it could be a glacial deposit or a rock formation sculpted by Ice Age processes. The Baltic Sea Anomaly's intrigue is heightened by its location in a region rich with history and mythology. The Baltic Sea has long been associated with maritime legends and tales of lost treasures, adding an air of mystery, as if the anomaly is guarding ancient secrets waiting to be revealed. This enigmatic object continues to spark debate and curiosity, inviting us to explore the unknown depths of our planet. Number 14. Stone Spheres of Costa Rica. Hidden within Costa Rica's lush rainforests lies an enigma from ancient times, the stone spheres. These orbs, shaped by the hands of forgotten artisans, stand as a testament to the ingenuity and skill of their creators. The spheres vary in size from small marbles to massive boulders, each meticulously carved from dense granodiorite or gabbro. Over centuries, these smooth, enduring surfaces have kept their secrets intact. Scholars have proposed various theories about their purpose and origin. Some believe they served as celestial compasses, guiding ancient travelers through the jungle. Others speculate they were cosmic talismans meant to protect against evil forces. Despite numerous hypotheses, the true meaning and use of the Costa Rican stone spheres remain elusive, inviting ongoing curiosity and research. Number 13. Pye Reese Map. Imagine stepping into the dusty, dimly lit corridors of history and uncovering a parchment that challenges our understanding of the world. Such is the allure of the Pye Reese Map, a remarkable artifact that has fascinated historians, explorers, and enthusiasts for centuries. Crafted in the early 16th century by the Ottoman cartographer and Admiral Pye Reese, this map is a masterpiece of cartography and a testament to the knowledge and curiosity of the time. What sets it apart is not just its age but its astonishing accuracy and the mysteries it still holds. At first glance, the Pye Reese Map seems like any other world map of its era, depicting coastlines, cities, and geographical features. However, what baffles scholars is its depiction of the Americas in an age when the New World was largely uncharted. The map astonishingly displays parts of the South American and Antarctic coastlines with a surprising level of precision. Some argue that Pye Reese had access to ancient sources, now lost to us, which contained knowledge of these lands. Others speculate that he might have gathered information from early European explorers who had secretly reached these shores. This mysterious connection to the New World fuels the map's intrigue. Beyond its geographical accuracy, the Pye Reese Map is adorned with intricate calligraphy and illustrations. It's a work of art as much as it is a navigational tool, reflecting the rich cultural tapestry of the Ottoman Empire. Today, this ancient marvel resides in the Topkapi Palace Museum in Istanbul, Turkey, where it continues to captivate visitors with its enigmatic charm and historical significance. Number 12. The Main Penny. In 1957, a modest artifact caused a flurry of speculation and fascination in Maine's history, known as the Main Penny. This small silver coin, minted in Norway around 1065 AD, has left historians and archaeologists perplexed. How did a Viking coin end up in North America nearly 500 years before Columbus? Various theories have emerged. Some propose it as evidence of pre-Columbian Norse exploration, possibly linked to Leif Erikson's Vinland. Others suggest it was a part of transatlantic trade, carried by indigenous peoples. The mystery of the Main Penny continues to fascinate. Imagine Vikings in longships navigating uncharted waters, or an ancient barter system connecting cultures across the ocean. How the Vikings adopted so many aspects of Anglo-Saxon culture further complicates the story. This enigmatic coin offers a glimpse into a past where the seas held countless secrets and exploration knew no bounds. Today, the story of the Main Penny reminds us that even in our modern age, the past can still whisper secrets that stir our imagination. Number 11. Nanmatal. Nestled in the Pacific Ocean's azure waters is a marvel that defies time and imagination, Nanmatal. This mysterious stone city, often called the Venice of the Pacific, is located on the remote Micronesian island of Pohnpei. Its allure lies not only in its beauty but also in the enigma surrounding its creation. Built on a network of 92 artificial islets, Nanmatal's origin remains shrouded in mystery. According to legend, it was constructed by the ancient Sodalur dynasty using magical powers to move enormous basalt stones. In recent years, archaeologists have employed advanced technology to study the site, uncovering evidence that suggests the construction of Nanmatal began as early as the 8th century AD. This new information hints at a complex society with advanced engineering skills and a sophisticated understanding of logistics, given the immense effort required to transport and position the massive stones. Walking through its ancient pathways, you can't help but feel the weight of history, as if you've stepped into a long-lost world. Each islet is adorned with intricately stacked basalt columns, forming walls and platforms that resemble a fantastical fortress. The network of canals winding between these islets adds to its otherworldly charm, making it easy to imagine the soft lapping of water as a lullaby to the city's secrets. Despite its isolation, Nanmatal is a testament to human ingenuity and the pursuit of grandeur that transcends time and place. Number 10. The Longu Gratos. In China, a hidden marvel lies beneath the earth, shrouded in mystery and timelessness. The Longu Gratos. With their remarkable precision and enigmatic origin, they are one of the world's most captivating architectural mysteries. The sheer scale of this endeavor is astonishing, with over 2,000 individual grottos spread across an area of 30,000 square meters. The question that perplexes archaeologists to this day is why. Theories abound, ranging from ancient underground dwellings to granaries, but the truth remains elusive. In addition to their scale, recent explorations have revealed that the grottos are connected by a complex network of tunnels and waterways, suggesting a sophisticated understanding of engineering and hydraulics. This discovery hints at the possibility that the grottos were part of a larger integrated system that served multiple purposes, possibly including storage, protection, and even ceremonial uses. The level of craftsmanship evident in the grottos is astounding. The walls are adorned with intricate carvings and inscriptions, reflecting a civilization with a deep appreciation for aesthetics and symbolism. It's as if the very rock itself whispered secrets to those who carved it. The mystery deepens when you consider that there is no historical record of their construction, no mention in ancient text, no hint of who these artisans were or what inspired them. The grottos defy conventional explanations, challenging our understanding of ancient civilizations. Exploring these subterranean wonders, you can't help but feel a sense of awe and wonder. The play of light and shadow on the rock surfaces, the echoes of footsteps in the cavernous chambers. It transports you to another world, a world where secrets lie hidden, waiting to be uncovered. Number 9. Ulbert Swords, legendary blades of the Viking Age. In the annals of history, some weapons rise above the rest, becoming legends in their own right. Among these, the Ulbert Swords stand tall as masterpieces of medieval craftsmanship and symbols of power, prestige, and innovation. These remarkable swords were crafted during the Viking Age, primarily between the 9th and 11th centuries. What set them apart from their contemporaries was their remarkably high-quality steel. Unlike other swords of the era, Ulbert blades were forged from crucible steel, a technique that remained a closely guarded secret. These swords bore an inscription that read Ulbert, and it is from this name that they derive their identity. The name likely belonged to a skilled swordsmith or served as a brand name signifying quality, similar to today's prestigious brands. These swords were symbols of status, owned by nobles, warriors, and kings alike. What made Ulbert swords truly extraordinary was their superior metallurgy. They featured a core of high-carbon steel surrounded by softer iron, creating a blade with unmatched strength and flexibility. This design made them highly effective in battle, as they could endure brutal combat without breaking or bending. The mystery surrounding the Ulbert swords goes beyond their impeccable craftsmanship. The origin of the crucible steel used in their creation remains an enigma. Some suggest that the knowledge might have come from the Middle East, possibly through trade routes, while others believe it was a closely guarded secret passed down through generations of European blacksmiths. The Ulbert swords hold a unique place in history, representing a convergence of technology, artistry, and warfare during a tumultuous time. Each one reveals the skill and dedication of the blacksmiths who forged them, and to this day, they continue to captivate the imagination as relics of a bygone era where legends were etched in steel. Number 8. Gockley Teep. In the heart of modern-day Turkey, Gockley Teep stands as an archaeological marvel that challenges our understanding of early human history. This ancient site, dating back over 11,000 years, predates the Great Pyramids of Egypt and Stonehenge by millennia, making it one of the most enigmatic discoveries of our time. Gockley Teep is distinguished by its complexity and age, featuring massive stone pillars, some towering up to 18 feet. Every single one of them has two large T-shaped pillars that sit in the middle and face one another, intricately carved with depictions of animals and abstract symbols. These monolithic structures form circular enclosures believed to have been used for communal gatherings and rituals. The mystery surrounding Gockley Teep deepens when considering the people who built it. They were nomadic hunter-gatherers, yet the construction of such monumental architecture required sophisticated knowledge of stone carving and engineering. This challenges conventional timelines of human civilization and raises questions about the evolution of complex cultures. Number 7. Shroud of Torin, the mysterious cloth. Imagine discovering the exact burial cloth believed to have wrapped Jesus Christ. What would you do with such a profound artifact? The Shroud of Torin is a linen cloth measuring approximately 14 feet long and 3 feet wide. What makes it extraordinary is the faint sepia-toned image of a man imprinted on its surface. The image resembles a photographic negative, clearly showing the face, beard, long hair, and wounds on the hands, feet, and side of a man. The shroud's history can be traced back to at least the 14th century, when it was documented in the French town of Lirey. However, its origins remain a mystery. Believers assert that it is the actual burial cloth of Jesus Christ, used to wrap his body after the crucifixion. One of the most fascinating aspects of the shroud is how the image was formed. No pigments or dyes are present on the cloth's surface. Some researchers propose that a burst of energy or radiation, perhaps related to the resurrection event, could have created the image. Others suggest a complex chemical reaction between the cloth and a decomposing body might be responsible. Scientific examinations of the shroud have been ongoing for decades. In 1978, a group of scientists conducted an in-depth analysis and found no evidence of paint, pigments, or other artistic techniques that could explain the image. Instead, they discovered traces of pollen and limestone particles consistent with the shroud's historical journey through different regions. The pollen grains found are native to plants in the areas of Jerusalem, suggesting the cloth's origins might indeed align with the historical narrative of Jesus' burial. Number 6. The Takaki Cax head. The Takaki Cax head, an extraordinary artifact from ancient Mesoamerica, offers a fascinating glimpse into the region's rich history and enduring mysteries. Discovered in 1933 by archaeologist José García Payon, this small, intricately carved serpentine stone head has captivated researchers and historians for decades. At first glance, the head appears to be a beautifully crafted representation of a person from Mesoamerican culture, with almond-shaped eyes, a finely detailed headdress, and a serene expression that evokes a sense of timelessness. What truly sets the Takaki Cax head apart, however, is its enigmatic origins and the questions it raises about pre-Columbian contact between the Old World and the Americas. The most perplexing aspect of this artifact is its striking resemblance to individuals of African descent. The head features distinct African facial characteristics, including full lips and a broad nose, leading to fervent debates among scholars about the possibility of early African contact with the Americas. Some hypothesize that the head could be evidence of transoceanic trade or migration, predating Christopher Columbus's arrival in the New World. Number 5. Sakwan Walls, the Inca marvel. Nestled high in the Andes Mountains, just outside the vibrant city of Cusco, Peru, lies an archaeological wonder that defies explanation, the Sakwan Walls. These colossal stone structures, composed of megalithic stones of immense proportions, have long captured the imagination of explorers, archaeologists, and curious travelers alike. Standing sentinel at an elevation of over 12,000 feet, Sakwan is not just a fortress. It's a testament to the ingenuity, precision, and mystery of the Inca civilization. The first thing that strikes you about Sakwan is the sheer size of its stones. Some of these monolithic blocks weigh over 100 tons, yet they fit together with such impeccable precision that even a blade of grass would struggle to penetrate the gaps. Theories abound regarding how the Incas quarried, transported, and assembled these stones, but the truth remains shrouded in mystery. Was it the result of extraterrestrial intervention, as some suggest, or a feat of human engineering prowess lost to time? Sakwan's walls are not merely an architectural marvel. They are a window into the spiritual world of the Inca civilization. Many believe that the layout of the walls with their serpentine shape is meant to represent the body of a giant puma, a sacred animal in Inca mythology. This sacred geometry is said to have held ritual significance, possibly aligning with celestial events or serving as a powerful symbol of the Incas' connection to the natural world. As you explore the site, you'll be awed by the panoramic views of Cusco and the surrounding valleys. It's easy to understand why the Incas chose this location for their fortress. The strategic advantage of Sakwan's hilltop perch provided both a commanding military position and a spiritual connection to the heavens. The ingenuity and precision displayed in Sakwan's construction continue to inspire awe and curiosity, making it one of the most impressive examples of ancient engineering in the world. Number 4. Fuente Magna Bowl. The Fuente Magna is a fascinating archaeological artifact that has puzzled scholars for decades. Discovered in Bolivia in the 1950s, this ancient object has raised significant questions about pre-Columbian transoceanic connections. Made from a single piece of stone, the bowl features detailed inscriptions. While some suggest these inscriptions resemble Sumerian cuneiform, others believe they are similar to the script of the Indus Valley civilization. If this similarity is accurate, it could radically alter our understanding of history, indicating interactions between Mesopotamia, the Indus Valley, and South America over 4,000 years ago. Theories abound, from speculative trade routes to ancient astronaut hypotheses. Some propose that ancient seafarers crossed oceans, sharing knowledge and culture, but then a knowledge of so-called Sumerian. The Fuente Magna Bowl is more than just an enigma. It's a tantalizing glimpse into a world where the boundaries of history are fluid, where civilizations may have intersected in ways we have yet to fully understand. Adding another layer of intrigue, recent archaeological findings in Bolivia have uncovered similar artifacts with inscriptions that might indicate a network of ancient sites connected by trade or communication. These discoveries could support the theory of widespread cultural exchanges long before previously believed. As researchers strive to unravel its secrets, the Fuente Magna Bowl remains a beacon of wonder, inviting us to rethink the scope of ancient human interactions and the possibilities of lost connections between distant civilizations. Number 3. Klerksdorp Spheres. Discovered in South Africa, the Klerksdorp Spheres, also known as cosmic cannonballs, present a fascinating geological puzzle. Estimated to be around 3 billion years old, these spheres have intrigued both scientists and enthusiasts alike. Composed of pyrite and dolomite minerals, their nearly perfect spherical shape and smooth surface defy the expected wear and tear over such vast spans of time. Various theories have attempted to explain their origin. Some suggest they formed through rapid mineral deposition in ancient seabeds, while others entertain the idea that they might be remnants from space, similar to meteorites. Beyond their composition and age, the Klerksdorp spheres might offer insights into early Earth's environmental conditions. If they were formed in ancient seabeds, they could provide clues about the planet's primordial oceans and atmosphere, shedding light on the conditions that prevailed billions of years ago. These spheres continue to captivate the scientific community, pushing the boundaries of our understanding of Earth's history and the cosmic mysteries it holds. Their allure remains strong, urging researchers to uncover the ancient tales embedded in the Earth's crust. Number 2. Voyich Manuscript. The Voyich Manuscript is an enigmatic artifact that has confounded scholars, linguists, and cryptographers for centuries. This ancient tome, thought to have been penned in the early 15th century, comprises 240 pages filled with beautifully illustrated but entirely unreadable text. The manuscript's pages feature intricate botanical drawings of plants that do not correspond to any known species, alongside celestial diagrams and peculiar human-like figures bathing in strange pools. The script used in the manuscript is equally perplexing, comprising a unique set of characters and symbols that have never been deciphered. Over the years, numerous theories have emerged in an attempt to uncover the secrets of the voyich manuscript. Some propose it to be an elaborate hoax, while others speculate it could be an ancient guide to herbal medicine or an encoded repository of knowledge from an obscure civilization. Despite the efforts of countless researchers, the manuscript's true purpose and meaning continue to elude us. Now it's time for today's topic. Archaeologists are always digging up unexpected little trinkets that make everyone go, "Ooh, what's that?" And the weird thing you can see in this image is one such object. It was found buried in the Arizona desert, which makes sense. Beneath the sands of the world is a common place to find trinkets of times gone by. But there are two mysteries about this thing that are confusing experts. Number 1, nobody can figure out which ancient civilization it used to belong to. Number 2, how are the two eyes glowing? There's no electricity involved, so how is that happening? It's often discussed that ancient civilizations had far better tech than we give them credit for, and in some ways we've still not caught up. Since being dug up, the glowing has slowly faded, perhaps hinting at how this works. But who knows? Number 1, the Ladov Plate. In the remote Himalayan village of Ladov, an unassuming plate has stirred intrigue, controversy, and fascination among experts and enthusiasts alike. This ancient object, known as the Ladov Plate, offers a captivating glimpse into a mysterious past and raises the possibility of ancient astronauts visiting Earth. The Ladov Plate, estimated to be around 12,000 years old, challenges conventional archaeological wisdom with its remarkable depiction. It features a humanoid figure operating what appears to be an intricate piece of machinery, raising profound questions about the advanced knowledge possessed by ancient civilizations and sparking debates about potential extraterrestrial influences. Advocates of the ancient astronaut theory point to the plate as evidence of visitors from other worlds in Earth's distant past. They highlight the intricate design of the plate, showcasing what resembles a saucer-shaped craft complete with a central control panel. However, skeptics urge caution, emphasizing that the Ladov Plate might be rooted in artistic symbolism or mythology, rather than offering concrete proof of ancient astronauts. Many cultures incorporate figures that blur the lines between humanity and divinity, making it challenging to definitively conclude the nature of this artifact. What's your take on these incredible phenomena? Share your thoughts in the comments below. See you next time.